Look at that thing. Jet black. That thing is awesome. Ah, that's cool. So what do you got? How do you?
The beast here. Come on over. I'll show you the 29 over here. Throw in, you plug in another Tesla. So if you want to bring a over, you can plug it in. We can kind of charge
That's so
each other.
crazy.
And then under here's a little storage thing. Some stuff under there.
Wow.
LED lights in the back. You see through here.
You can see through there?
Yeah, but once you put the vault together, which is this, you no longer can.
Okay.
It makes it safe, so nobody can go in your trunk and mess with it.
Wow.
That's a little bit.
It's just honk. Wow, look at that. I don't know if
This is a gold flake.
Oh, wow.
Set.
gold flake.
Yeah, and,
You have a screen in the back seat?
yeah, so it does YouTube and all kind of stuff.
This is crazy.
It's crazy. And then,
Wow.
the screen is usual, probably just like yours. You know.
Look at that. This door is heavy. Holy
Yeah, let
shit.
them right off, right?
Wow. Oh my God. That flake is beautiful. I don't know if I can. It's beautiful. Wow. Oh, I love the green lights down there. Look at the mirror. That is so cool.
We got this in the Herman.
This the Foundation series.
Yeah, we got the front.
What does that say?
Cybertruck. It's our logo.
Oh, wow.
This thing comes down. Where it's all,
So this is the Beast.
It is a piece, literally.
The lights.
It's very fun.
I want to know how long that windshield wiper. It's like 3 feet.
It's actually super nice, and then what happens is it goes down and puts it right here when you're going fast and it's raining, so like it doesn't come up against you.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
The windshield goes all the way up.
Yeah, actually.
Holy cow. You can turn the front wheels and the back wheels independently.
Except for you. So I'm doing it like these weird things.
Oh my
I turn
God.
on a dime. I can do a U-turn.
But it's but all 4 wheels turn in.
So like you turn on that pedal right now, do a spin. It's really intense.
All right, Lindsey. So if they want to drive your truck, how do they do it?
You have a Cybertruck. Come with the Conrad Mortgage. There might be one that you can rent up here. Just check it out. You got it on Facebook.
All right. I'll put a link to everything. Thanks for watching. Have a good morning.